this morning I finally uploaded I finally uploaded a vlog. I vlogged yesterday. Normally when I try to vlog, I vlog in the morning and then forget to pick up my camera for the rest of the day. Yesterday I vlogged, I edited last night, and it's now up on my channel. Finally, I vlogged. So right now I'm just having some me time. My parents took my son out for a drive. They were going to go for a walk, but it's starting to rain. But I'm having some me time, probably go watch a couple of videos, and we'll just see where the day takes us. So the weather here in Florida has been somewhat bad, but also somewhat okay. I mean, it's like almost every single day it has been raining, and earlier today, I think it was like sometime this morning, we were under a tornado warning till 12:40, 12:45. I was scared. I'm not a tornado person, so I'm kind of like not looking forward to hurricane season, which hurricane season starts on my birth month, and my birthday is in June. So I'm not excited or happy at all. Now the weather is good right now. Somewhat sunny outside, a little bit cloudy. Hi, baby. My son is right here.
I play Angry Birds.
Oh, cool. That's how you play Angry Bird without being on electronics. He's using the dice as like buildings for birds to knock down.
Angry Birds is this L big Angry Bird.
Really? You know you're smart, right?
Yeah,
You're super smart. Difficult thing of being a short person. I literally have to climb on those to get to the top shelf. Yep, got it. Found my mom. Poke bowl tonight.
She always put me on.
Excited. Poke bowl.
For some reason, she was always
And we
just
got me
like,
my favorite.
I put you on carrots.
Root beer. Yeah. Okay, I want to show you guys this. Our neighbor's mom made us some masks, and this is my son's mask. It has a hole in it so we can like put some stuff in there, and this is my mask. It's upside down. This is my mask. I actually been having this mask for a long time now, and I wear it when I go to the store. But Justice has not worn his mask at all yet. One of these days when I take him out for a walk, I'm having him wear his mask. I'm gonna wear mine. I'm hoping he would keep his mask on, because normally he doesn't like have anything like in front of his face at all. Yeah, I'm just hoping that he would keep his mask on. So it is almost 9 and we are laying down right now. You wanna say goodnight? Say goodnight. Good night. I got the hiccups, oh my gosh. Good night, everybody. And I will see you in the next vlog. Good night.